Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I have a good feel of which Japanese sunscreens I like better. Super excited to move on to the Korean ones. We are going with Beauty of Joseon and Round Lab. The strategy will be the same on applying this to half of my body and then this one to the other half. We'll see which one I like better. Let's go put on some sunscreen. I've only tried these for one day, but already know my preference is the Anessa and the Biore. Both of them feel pretty good, but the Anessa is still the king of drying quickly and feeling matte, followed by Biore, and then these two. Last is Ali, and all of them are way better than the American sunscreens that I've tried. The feel for me is the most important, and I just really liked how the Anessa dried really quickly and really matte. I'm assuming somebody with oily skin will have a different conclusion or maybe even an opposite conclusion. Followed by the Biore, and then these two Korean ones are feeling really similar. I can't quite tell the difference between the two. The Round Lab right here on my right arm is a little bit more watery feeling compared to the Beauty of Joseon on my left arm. When I apply to the face and the head, they both, again, feel very similar, but the Round Lab does feel a little bit nicer. Something that's not very important to me is fragrance, and these two I would consider very neutral. Compared to the Anessa was the most fragrant, followed by Biore. These two are very neutral, and then Ali had like a little synthetic plastic smell. All of them much better than the Neutrogena, because when I wear the Neutrogena, I smell like sunscreen all day. I'm going to give these a few seconds to finish drying. So in conclusion, both of these smell the same, feel the same, and cost about the same, but we are going to advance Round Lab because it's just a little bit better. Both of these are my favorite smelling, very neutral compared to the Anessa and the Biore, this one being the most fragrant, followed by the Biore. But they feel so matte and less sticky, less oily. I think those will be hard to dethrone, but we'll see what happens in the next round of Korean sunscreens. Video 216 done.